Welcome to glncd.io. This is RAD² X, and if you constantly feel like you're forgetting something important, this one is for you. You're not bad at life. Your brain is just being asked to do the job of a dashboard. Bills, kids, meals, work, chores, messages, all mixed together in one mental pile. Today we're going to build a 4-panel life dashboard on your phone, so you stop carrying everything in your head. You can do this in any notes app, reminders app, or even photos. The structure is what matters. First, we stop treating your life as one big list. You're going to create 4 panels. 1. Today, what actually matters in the next 12 to 16 hours. 2. Home, house, kids, meals, errands, repairs. 3. Money, bills, accounts, paydays. Don't forget to pay this. 4. Me, sleep, movement, water, small joys, appointments. Open your notes or reminders app. Create one list for each. Today, home, money, me. You just built the basic frame of a cockpit. Now we do a 2-minute brain dump, but with structure. Think, what am I quietly worrying about for today? What's stressing me about home? What keeps poking me about money? What have I been putting off for me? Type each item into the panel it belongs to. No organizing yet. Just get it out of your head and into the right box. If something doesn't belong to any panel, ask yourself, do I actually need to care about this? If not, delete it. Now we stop your dashboard from becoming another overwhelming list. Use the 3-3-1 rule every morning. From today, choose 3 things you will actually do. From home, choose 3 small steps. Laundry load, call, 1 drawer, not the whole closet. From money, choose 1 action. Pay 1 bill, check 1 account, send 1 email. Me stays as a simple checklist you touch every day. Drink water, move your body, go to bed at a decent time. One thing that feels like me, not just useful. That's it. You're not trying to fix your life in a day. You're trying to move each panel forward a little bit. Last piece. At the end of the day, do a 5-minute reset with your dashboard. Check off what you did. Move undone today items back into home, money, or me. Or delete them. Choose 1 small thing you'll put in today for tomorrow so you wake up with direction. This is how you quietly shift from, I'm always behind, to, I know what matters today and everything else is parked safely. The belief shift is simple. You don't need superhuman discipline. You need a simple control panel your brain can trust. I'm RAD² X from glncd.io. If you want deeper frameworks, life dashboards, and digital organization systems you can plug straight into your phone or planner, visit glncd.io and explore the glncd.io Knowledge Center for more.